recorded. So let's start. You need the link, grade 4. Sorry. This is the link. Open it. So Bismillah, let's start. Click create. Don't forget to sign into Scratch grade 4. Make account on the Scratch. You have to click join Scratch and then you may be able to share your project. I want to add the same background that is in the picture, this one, castle or something. Where is it? Can you see it? I cannot find the same background. I think it was like fantasy, because yeah, this one, castle number 2. I found it. Castle number 2. Thank you. I want to delete the cat. Bye bye cat. Deleted. Add the parrot. Add parrot. You can go to search for 7 times. Parrot, P-A-R-R, and then you will find the parrot. Can you see the parrot is moving? It's changed its costume. The panther also is moving. The balloon is colored. So I grade 4, every spirit have a different movement. This is my parrot. So when the green flag clicked, my parrot start flying. I'm gonna work with forever block. Go to control, always the loop and the forever blocks in control. So I start with event and then you go to control. Can you see my screen, grade 4? Okay. I want him to move 10 steps. Go to motion. Let him move. Oh, stop. Yes, the first one, move 10 steps. Are you with me? Can start coding with me. Now screen is lagging. Move 10 steps and then let him go to next costume. Go to looks. Next costume in looks grade 4. When the green flag clicked, forever, move 10 steps, next costume, and then I want him to wait like a few seconds. The wait in the control, wait for like a part of second, like 0.1. Very small amount of timing. 0.1 second. And then change size by -3. Change size by -3. This one I grade 4. It's in looks also. Change size by -3. -3 grade 4. So let's start it. Wow. Can you see the parrot?
Yes.
So beautiful.
Yes.
You like it? Yes, you can record the video for it. Record a short video. Okay, do it grade 4. I'm waiting for you.